And welcome back. Equal Standard is a film following the lives of New York City police officers caught in an inner city conflict resulting in a tragic death. The film reflects on the injustice occurring across the country between innocent civilians and the police department. Here now to tell us more about the movie is Taheim Bryan, creator and executive producer of Equal Standard Film, and Treach, actor, producer, legendary hip-hop artist, here with us as well. Thank you both for coming and sharing with us.
Glad to be here.
Good. And I'll start with Taheim first. You know, you
Let's
got to be
do it.
excited.
Very much excited.
Tomorrow's going to be the screening.
The big day.
And but you really tackle a real serious issue. And so you took on police brutality.
Correct.
And the public. And this is something that we continue to see every day.
Correct.
Talk about why you wanted to bring this to film.
Well, you know, it's 2019, and you see how this administration is supporting division right now. So this is something that was well needed. This is a storyline that's not really dealing with the marching like most movies you see that I'm kind of tired of marching, my feet hurt, you know what I mean? So we kind of taking it to another level of accountability that's not really being enforced with the criminal justice system, but it's being handed down with us. So this was, I think, a piece that was really needed to be pushed out into the forefront to show them that accountability has to be a moral obligation to everyone equally, and everyone understands what equal standard really stands for is a fair merit. Each piece could understand that everyone wants to be treated fairly. So that's where equal standard had to be developed and put out there.
So what are we going to see? What's the public going to see when it comes to equal standard?
You're going to see a lot of different things. You're going to see betrayal. You're going to see also blue-collar cover-up. You're going to see unity between the Crips and the Bloods coming together, uniting, as well fighting with each other against the brutality. You're going to see love. You know, most of the things that you see that's going on in the world today, that's going to really be enforced inside this film right here.
And Treach, you get the opportunity to play a major gang leader called Trigger.
Yeah.
How does Trigger play in all this?
Well, it's just being tired of the situation that's going on in the streets and coming to the point of no matter how much rivalry's been going on, that it's a time to get together on the streets because we the underdogs, we endangered, and it's like, only thing we could do is help them by killing each other. Now it's time to get over and show force because it's power with numbers. So that's why the whole thing goes into getting the troops together for the first time.
We often hear about artists not being involved and being socially active and connected. Here you are connected to a film, right, that deals a lot with the issues that we're facing day to day. For you as an artist, is this part of your give back?
Yeah, man. I mean, I'm a raptivist. You feel what I'm saying? I'll put it together. But no, it's just a serious situation. Back in our era, it's like you heard more music built around social issues and things that's going on in the communities. And a lot now you just hear mainly party and dancing and everything else. So this is my way through our tours and everything else, but especially through film, you reach so many people, and a lot of people follow that. So you got to put the message in there. That's why I love working with Taheim, because it always comes down like that with him.
And he puts together an all-star cast. Talk about the cast that you got working with you.
We got like 99 actors, right? So it's from Trigger, you know what I mean? We got Ice-T that also plays leader of the Crips. You have Hassan, that's Weebay, that played in The Wire. You got Mark Jeffries. You got Fredro, you got Selena Johnson, Tobias Trevelyan that played in Empire, Robert Colossi, his first movie with both of his sons as well, Miles and Byron. So it's a star-studded cast. And you got Maurice Bernard from General Hospital that plays Captain Chavez. So I'm blessed to see all these brothers that came out to support this movement right here, because that's what it is, it's a movement.
Right. And you're just you're behind the snes, you're directing, you're producing.
And I'm also playing an actor called Blue in there as well. So I'm a Crip member as well. So I'm wearing multiple hats. So why not?
Right,
you know?
right. So what's the feeling like going into tomorrow? I mean, is there a nervousness?
Of course it's jitteries, you know what I mean? But it's excitement, you know what I mean? It's actually seeing how my dream became a reality, you know what I mean? It's basically triumph after struggle. I will put it in so many words, you know what I mean? It's surreal.
Right.
It's surreal, but it's a blessing. Right. It's a blessing.
Nervousness. Well, we'll talk to you. Nervousness on your part, right? And then the second part is how much really is it about acting, given the fact that you live it day to day?
I mean, because you have to be somebody else, a different character. You know, I've been acting for over 2 decades now, so I never want anyone to look at my one character and like, this the same dude from Jason's Lyric, or this the same dude from this, or this, or this. You know what I mean? So it's just bringing a light to a whole different character, a whole different area, a whole different situation. There's a ghetto everywhere, but it's like it's a whole different vibe, whether you're on the West Coast, Midwest, down South, or the East Coast. So just to bring that up into it is just, it's like a new dance to create. You feel me? It's beautiful.
Yeah. So tomorrow's the premiere. After that, what happens from there?
Well, you know, the after party. So, you know, the after show is the after party.
Right.
So we have that. Then distribution, you know what I mean? Try to land with the right home and continue on. We also got another project that we're doing together called Southside. That's based in 1988. The first season is written. So we're going to move forward with that, bring it back to the golden era, and educate the youth, you know what I mean, that kind of lost and went sidetracked from the way today's generation is going. So I'm hyped.
Yeah, I mean, you're using film for social activism. I think we're hyped too.
You have to, you know, because education is not only taught through books no more, it's visual education now. So people really see and respond off what they see on television, and then the talent that they identify with that they grew up to from listening through music or watching through other films. So you have to target the demographics in a visual format right now. I think that's the best way today to use your voice, right?
Working the wisdom.
Right. So you got the acting career. People ask what's up with the music. Are you still, what's going on?
Yeah,
man?
we still on tour. We about 150 shows a year on the average for 28 years. So, you know, we stay out there, stay in the studio, and just hit the ground with it, man. But it's like, just to change hats and to be able to do all, it's like, it's the best high.
Right. We gotta go, but we're gonna talk about changing hats. You know, we talked a little bit about him being that diehard Giants fan.
Let's go Big Blue.
Yeah, okay. Got a lucky win this week. You know?
Yeah, we'll take it.
A W is a W. What'd you say they usually call you when you walk in?
Yeah, before I was going like, yo, what's up, Owen? I'm like, who's Owen? Owen 1, Owen 2. I said, oh, yeah, I selected. Yeah. I got that. Not this year.
Not this year.
Not this year.
Well, all right. Well, thank you. Treach, good to have you, bro. Hey,
right,
man.
that's right.
Thanks for having me.
Hey, man, thank you. Listen, want to let you know Equal Standard Film premiere is taking place tomorrow, September 26th at the Museum of Moving Image, located 3601 35th Avenue in Queens. The red carpet is actually happening from 6:45 to 7:45, and the premiere starts at 8 p.m. Now, if you want more information, you can follow them on Twitter at Equal Standard or on Instagram at Equal Standard. Well, yes, we've come to the end of our show today. I want to thank our guests for joining us, and most of all, you, the viewer, for tuning in. If you missed any part of today's show, you can catch the Recablecast at 5 and 10 p.m. on Optimum's Channel 67, Verizon Fios, that would be Channel 33, or watch us anytime on the web at bronxnet.org. That wraps it up for this special edition of Open. Want to make sure that you keep this channel wide open. Special shout out to all those watching simultaneously on the M&N channel. Give a special shout out to the sister family. Good to see you. Take care, everybody. God bless. We'll talk to you soon.